Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to prevent an admin from pinning messages in your Telegram group using the latest update on the PC app. If you want to keep your group's pinned messages under control, just follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in, then look for the group where you're an admin and want to manage these settings. Click on the group to open the chat window. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Group. This will open the group's management settings, where you can adjust permissions for all members and admins. Now, click on Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of what group members are allowed to do. Find the option labeled Pin Messages. To stop regular members from pinning messages, simply toggle this switch off. Once you've done that, click Save to apply the new group-wide permissions. But what if you want to prevent a specific admin from pinning messages while allowing others to keep this ability? Here's how you do it. Still in the Manage Group settings, look for the Administrator section and click on it. You'll see a list of all current admins in your group. Click on the admin whose permissions you want to change. A new window will pop up with a detailed list of permissions for that admin. Find Pin Messages in the list and toggle it off so they can no longer pin or unpin messages in the group. When you're finished, click Save to confirm your changes. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily control who can pin messages in your Telegram group, whether it's for all members or just specific admins. This helps you keep important information organized and prevents unwanted pins from cluttering your chat. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Telegram group with more control than ever before.